I've been using this Big Easy oilless fryer, which is a great cooker, 8 to 10 years. But the challenge is getting that deep fried crust on the outside of something. You watch this video today, I'm going to show you one secret where you'll get crispy, crunchy, fried crust on that chicken every time. First thing we're going to do is season this flour, right? I got some basil, got some rosemary, got some thyme. You can see it all right here. I got about, I don't know, tablespoon to two tablespoons each. I don't know, that's probably a cup and a half, 2 cups of flour. And then what we got here, Boars Night Out, White Lightning, all right? Competition team, competition awards, all right? If you're interested in this, I'm going to put a link. You can check it out. But we're going to do 2 tablespoons, and I'm even doing one more. You're talking salt, pepper, garlic, all the basic essentials, right? Now what we're going to do is just mix this all up. And once we get it all mixed up, well, you know the next step. It'll be that chicken. Take one of these chicken thighs here, put her down in our flour, just like so, right? We got 2 eggs here. Just going to turn it over in that egg like so. And then we're going to run over here to the secret ingredient. This is pork panko. That's right. Pork panko. There you go. You can see we got it all seasoned up. We're just going to repeat this process for each of these chicken thighs. And by the way, I have got to give full credit for this secret to Nate over at White Thunder Barbecue for coming up with this. He did it on some chicken legs, did it on his grill, turned out perfect. We're going to do them on this Big Easy today, right? Now you can see I got these chicken thighs. These are huge chicken thighs, right? All breaded up. Look, this is the magic dust right here, right? Pork panko fried pork rinds. All right, that's what we're using here. Now, I'm going to come back in here with that Boars Night Out White Lightning. Just going to hit a little bit up on top of each one of these guys. Like so. Looking good to me. All right. Then over here, I've got a new basket, right? This is a new improved model, they say, for this Big Easy. It's going to be challenging to get all 4 of these on here because they're quite big. Okay, we're going to do it like so. And then look, all you do is you grab this guy like this. Look at how this basket pulls up. Is that cool or what? We're going to get this over in the Big Easy. Now, just going to drop these guys down here. Look how this new basket works. This is awesome. Right, it's got these little hooks. Fits right in there, like so. Going to get that down. People always ask me, put the lid on? Absolutely not. It is mid-March, 84 degrees here in Florida. If you put that lid on, the outside's going to get done before the inside does. We're going to let this chicken cook. I'll check back on it in maybe 30, 40 minutes. We'll do a temp probe, depends on how it looks. It's been 40 minutes. Just checked my chicken. It's about 155, 158, right? You want to go up, these are thighs, so you can go up to 175. I like to cook them to between 165 and 170. I want them a little bit darker. I'm going to put my lid on. You can see I need to buy a new lid. It's rusted out, but I've got like 10 years out of this thing, so I'll get a new lid soon. Just probed this chicken, 50 minutes. We're 170 degrees. All right, we're going to get that lid off. Look at that. It's got some nice brown color. We have to taste it, see how it is. Okay, there we go. Look at that basket. You see how easy that works? That's awesome. Yeah, what I'm going to do here, just get this chicken out of this basket. Easier said than done, right? Put it on this cutting board. We're going to let it cool down about 10 minutes, long enough so we don't burn our mouth. Then we're going to give it a taste test. But I'll tell you, it looks pretty good so far. Chicken's been resting here about 10 minutes, okay? Now, I got some spicy shark habanero infused honey. All right? I'm going to put this on my piece. Now, I'm going to put it on my son's. He won't eat anything spicy, okay? We're just going to drizzle that honey. Look at that. I mean, come on. You know it's going to be good, right? All right. I've been waiting for this for an hour. Okay. So what we're going to do, just cut off a little bit of this chicken thigh. Look at that. She's nice and juicy. It's crunchy. Okay. All right. So we got that panko pork rind seasoning on there that that makes it crunchy. We got our spicy shark honey. We seasoned her up with that Boars Night Out. Let's give it a try. All right. Outside of my grandma's, both of them, might be my number 3 favorite fried chicken right there. It's just that good, guys. It is crunchy. That honey gives it, gives it a sweet taste. I'm sorry. You get a little bit of that habanero on the back end. It's fantastic. I don't know any other way to describe it. I like to thank White Thunder Barbecue for this idea. I didn't think of it, as I mentioned earlier in the video, but this is definitely the secret to getting crunchy, crispy fried chicken in the Big Easy Oilless Fryer.